Let's go!
Hey everybody, Coach Scott here, and tonight I'm in Hazel Green, Alabama. That's right, Hazel Green, Alabama. This is our group that we started close to Huntsville, North Alabama, right close to the Tennessee state line. And so we drove up here tonight to do the check-in, and this group is amazing. I'm telling you, they're amazing. Let me share some numbers with you. I want to introduce you to our Transformers of the Week right here. This is Heather and Brad Luna. I'm going to get to them in just a second, but let me share about the group. It is just as important to understand that you can do this. Now, we have 7 offices in Middle Tennessee, but you don't necessarily have to do this where there is an office where you physically go in, and their group has proven that. In fact, in 2 check-ins, the group here in Hazel Green, Alabama is averaging 33 pounds of fat loss in their first 2 check-ins. It's amazing, and they're doing so well, and I'm so proud of them, and I wanted to be the first one to introduce you to Heather and Brad Luna. So here they are, and I want them to share their numbers with you and share a little bit about their experience with LT360 in the group setting outside of Middle Tennessee. So here they are, Heather and Brad.
So I've been listening to 99.7 out of Nashville for several years, and I've heard about the program for a long time. And Heather and I had both decided that we needed to make a change in our lifestyle. We've tried several things, and so we decided to come over here to the group. And it's been a really good experience for us. It's been a learning curve for us. It really is a lifestyle transformation. You really do have to get a new routine. Everything in our life is routine. Just developing that routine has really helped us get the weight off. My numbers are really coming down for the first time since I was 25 years old. I'm around 42 now. I've been off my blood pressure medicine. I've quit my cholesterol medicine. I go sometime in August to get my blood work checked and make sure my cholesterol is not going the wrong way. So, we're excited, feeling good. Blood pressure's down. Healthy, walking for the first time. Just about 6 days a week, sometimes 7 days. Just feeling great.
Talk a little bit about your blood pressure, because we had talked off air a little bit about your blood pressure and how long you've been on it, and now you're able to come off of it. Talk a little bit about that.
Sure. So when I was 25 years old, I had talked with my school nurses, and they told me that I better go get my blood pressure checked. And I actually had some signs on my EKG when I did my physical that I'd already done some damage. So I've been on this since I was 25 years old. My blood pressure now is less than it was when I was on the blood pressure medication when I started this back in May. So it's just awesome that I have been able to just stop that medicine altogether.
Well, don't keep the people in suspense. Tell them your numbers. Share your numbers.
So I'm averaging somewhere around, let's see here, what we got. I've lost around 27.4 pounds of scale weight. My body fat is
That's
down
2 check-ins, by the way.
2 check-ins. And so I am down to a 20.1% body fat. Hydration is 56%, which I'm surprised by. That's hard to come by. So 56% I'm very proud of. Muscle mass is 38%. Need to do a little work there. My metabolic age has dropped from 70 to 37, which is awesome. That's better than my actual age, so that's great. And then my visceral fat's down to 8. That's great.
Talk about your actual change, how much fat loss you've had, how much muscle you've gained, how much hydration you've gained in this process.
So my total fat loss on this one is 48.3 pounds of fat loss. I've gained 9.4 pounds of muscle, and my overall scale weight, like I said, is down 27.4%.
Incredible. So proud of you. Now to the better half, and the much prettier half, I might say. This is Heather, everybody. Heather, share your numbers and experience a little bit with them.
Well, I have tried a few things in the past, and my struggle was always I did it on my own. So when we came, Brad's always talked about this program, and when I heard it was from Hazel Green, we decided to come listen, and I made a deal with him. If he signed up, I would sign up. So we're doing it together, and it's been much easier for me having somebody that's having to do the same meals, the same workout. It's worked out better for me. And my numbers so far, my scale weight change is 17.8 pounds. My overall fat change is 29.7 pounds.
29.7 pounds in 2 check-ins, folks.
And my overall muscle change has been 5.1 pounds. And then my overall hydration, I have gained 6.8 pounds. So I'm very excited.
So let me ask you a question. What would you, somebody that's watching this video that doesn't really maybe know us or maybe doesn't live in the Middle Tennessee, but might live in the North Alabama area or somewhere and thinking about a virtual coaching setup that we have, what would you tell that person that's sitting on the fence or maybe is just curious about how this might work for them?
It works. I mean, I've seen it. Come join us. I mean, it's not hard. We have meetings once a month. It's great. I mean, I am very, very impressed that it's just little changes, but it's just getting that routine, and this has been amazing.
Listen, we want to invite you. So thank you, first of all, to our Transformers of the Week, Brad and Heather Luna, for an incredible start to a lifelong journey of health, happiness, and wholeness, because that's what we do here at LT360. We educate the client, you, to get healthy at a cellular level while we nurture you, the whole person, mind, body, and spirit, and we want you to be next. That's right. So come to a free health and wellness seminar. Give us a call wherever you're at in the country. We can do this wherever you're at, and we'll meet you right where you're at. We'd love to show you how to get healthy, happy, and whole so that you can be the best and highest version of you. So until next time, God bless you guys. Take care. We'll see you soon.